My name is Alinda. I'll be presenting the nervous system. The nervous system is divided into two parts, which is the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. The CNS is contained the brain and the spinal cord, and the PNS is contained of the sensory and the motor neuron. But today I'll be focused more on the brain. The brain is divided into four parts, which is the brainstem, the diencephalon, the cerebrum, and the cerebellum. The brain is protected by the cranial bones and the cranial meninges and the cerebrospinal fluid. The cerebrospinal fluid circulates in the subarachnoid space and the four ventricles. The brainstem is the area of the base of the brain that lies between the deep structure at the cerebral hemispheres and the cervical spinal cord. It is divided into three sections, which is the midbrain, the pons, and the medulla. The brainstem houses have many control centers for vital body functions, such as swallowing, breathing, and vasomotor control. And this is a picture of the brainstem, which is right here is the cerebrum, and the bottom here is the cerebellum, and this is the brain, midbrain, and the pons, and the medulla right here, and at the posterior is the spinal cord. And now this is the diencephalon. Is the diencephalon is very deep inside the brain and surrounded with the cerebral hemisphere. It is composed of three pair of structures, which is the thalamus, the hypothalamus, and the epithalamus. The thalamus is relay station for sensory impulses and interpretation of other emotions, and the hypothalamus control function related to the homeostasis. It controls the autonomic nervous system. And then the cerebrum. The cerebrum is composed of gray matter and it's also called the cerebral cortex. Below the cortex is the white matter. And the cerebrum is divided into right and left hemispheres that are connected to the corpus callosum. Each of them is divided into four lobes. And the cerebrum is also involved in many functions of the body function, including the thinking, intelligence, motor function, and etc. And last but not least is the cerebellum. The cerebellum is consists of two partially separate hemispheres connected by the vermis, and it's also shaped like a butterfly. And the cerebellum is also involved in several body functions, including the muscular movement and balance, and also the muscle tone. And that's it. This is my presentation. Thank you, everybody.